You must have seen these videos on your TikTok feed where they are talking about the Blackbear phase. So today in this video, we will find out what is this Blackbear phase trend on TikTok. So let's start. Blackbear phase is a phrase people used to say they went through a period of time where they were obsessed with the music artist Blackbear. It's been popular on TikTok since 2021, when people discovered that everyone has gone through a similar phase where they loved his music for a few years. Most people stopped listening, but have certainly rediscovered his songs in 2023 and are now going through the phase all over again. Matthew Tyler Musto, better known as Blackbear, is an American musician, singer, songwriter, and record producer from Florida. The 32-year-old has released 6 studio albums, his first being Dead Roses in 2015 and most recent in Loving Memory in 2022. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.